All right, so there's two types of microscopes that we'll be using in the laboratory. This is the binocular microscope, and this is the dissecting microscope. The binocular microscope will allow you to get a little bit further, but we don't have a lot of working space inside of here. And so if you really want to do something like dissection or whatever like that underneath there, you will have to use this type of microscope. Make sure that all of the microscopes are kind of plugged in and that the cords are undone. There is usually on the backhand side a switch that will allow you to kind of turn it on. There is the switch. Okay. And then turn on the light source that we have there. And that we can use this knob here for magnification and this knob here for focusing. It moves the head up and down. And here's an example of the Daphnia that I had from the other one. I can kind of put this on here. And we can see the Daphnia up in there. And then if you want to, I'm going to real quickly kind of get this in focus. And then, boom, you can take a look at the Daphnia on here. And then we can use we can magnify it, the Daphnia, and then we can magnify the Daphnia a little bit, but it's a little bit, you can use either one, and we'll talk about what those parts are. All right. And so again, like I said before, you can either use the dissecting microscope or the binocular microscope, and there is the Daphnia in there, and we'll talk a little bit about the philosophy of setting up your experiment.